In an age where mystery and superstition dominated the understanding of the cosmos, one man dared to look beyond the stars and see a universe governed by mathematical laws. That man was Isaac Newton, and his legacy forever changed how we perceive the world. Isaac Newton, born on December 25, 1642, in Woolsthorpe, England, was a premature, fragile child, seemingly destined for an ordinary life. But within him, the spark of curiosity and ingenuity was already burning brightly. From a young age, Newton showed an exceptional talent for mechanics and invention, building water clocks and windmills in his village. But his true passion emerged when he began studying at the University of Cambridge, a place that would become the laboratory for his most revolutionary ideas. The famous story of the apple that inspired Newton to discover gravity may be more myth than reality, but it perfectly encapsulates his ability to see the extraordinary in the ordinary. Newton wondered, why does the apple fall to the ground? Why doesn't it rise? And that simple question led him to formulate the law of universal gravitation. Newton discovered that the force that makes the apple fall is the same force that keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth. This idea, so simple in concept, revolutionized physics and opened the door to a new era in science. But Newton didn't stop there. His masterpiece, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, published in 1687, established the laws of motion and universal gravitation. This book not only cemented his reputation as one of the greatest scientists of all time but also laid the groundwork for modern physics. Beyond physics, Newton also made crucial advances in optics. With his prism experiment, he demonstrated that white light is composed of all the colors of the rainbow, laying the foundations for modern theories of light and color. However, Newton's genius was not confined to science alone. He was also an exceptional mathematician, developing calculus, a mathematical tool fundamental in modern science and engineering. Although there was a famous dispute with the German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over who invented calculus first, Newton's enormous contribution to the field is undeniable. Newton also played a crucial role in the scientific community of his time. As president of the Royal Society, he promoted scientific research and contributed to the expansion of knowledge worldwide. His influence was so vast that he was even knighted by Queen Anne in 1705, a rare honor for a scientist. Interestingly, Newton also had a career at the Royal Mint, where he worked to reform England's currency and combat counterfeiting. This lesser-known aspect of his life demonstrates his versatility and ability to apply his mind to practical problems. However, not everything in Newton's life was science. He also devoted much of his time to the study of alchemy and theology, fields that we would now consider pseudoscience, but in his time were legitimate pursuits. Newton believed the universe was an orderly creation by God, and his work in these fields reflected his desire to understand the world in its entirety. Isaac Newton passed away on March 20, 1727, leaving behind an unparalleled legacy. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, an honor reserved for England's greatest figures. Today, Newton's name is synonymous with genius. His life is a testament to what the human mind can achieve when driven by curiosity and determination. His work taught us that the universe, with all its complexity, can be understood through the laws he helped discover. Thanks to Isaac Newton, the sky is no longer the limit but the starting point. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of one of the greatest scientists of all time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content about the geniuses who changed the world.